Neuropathy, a term used to describe nerve damage, can bring about a range of symptoms that affect our day-to-day lives. Nerves form the vital communication network between our brain and various parts of the body. However, when these nerves sustain damage, it can disrupt the transmission of signals, leading to a host of problems. But what exactly leads to nerve damage? Well, it could be caused by various factors. For instance, diabetes, nutrient deficiencies, physical traumas, and pre-existing medical conditions are all potential triggers for nerve damage. Today, though, let's talk about 6 commonly researched essential oils that you can easily include in your daily regimen. These oils have proven to be effective in reducing inflammation, alleviating pain and swelling, and promoting nerve regeneration. Just my usual reminder, the information provided here is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice or care. Let's start with number 1. Peppermint oil is more than just a natural remedy for pain relief. It's a gateway to enhanced well-being. With its invigorating scent and therapeutic properties, peppermint oil is the perfect choice for addressing nerve damage. This incredible oil is extracted through a meticulous process known as steam distillation, resulting in a concentrated and pure form that can work wonders for your body. One of the key components in peppermint oil is menthol, a powerhouse of healing properties. This dynamic compound plays a vital role in the oil's effectiveness, offering remarkable benefits. When it comes to combating nerve pain, peppermint oil reigns supreme. Its natural pain-relieving abilities are second to none, thanks to a unique mechanism. Specifically targeting the cooling receptors in your skin, peppermint oil provides a game-changing breakthrough in pain management. To experience relief from nerve pain and discomfort, simply apply a mixture of peppermint oil and a carrier oil, such as jojoba oil, olive oil, or almond oil, directly to the affected area. As the peppermint oil mixture absorbs into your skin, you'll feel a soothing and cooling sensation. This provides immediate relief from nerve pain, bringing comfort to those areas that need it the most. If you're as passionate about nutrition and well-being as I am, make sure to join our community by hitting that like button, subscribing, and turning on notifications. It's a good idea to opt for organic products whenever you can, as they typically contain more of the natural compounds that help calm your nerves. 2. Frankincense oil. Derived from the boswellia tree, frankincense oil has been highly regarded for its medicinal properties for centuries. This precious oil contains potent anti-inflammatory agents known as boswellic acids. Scientifically proven to have remarkable anti-inflammatory effects on the body, these boswellic acids are truly remarkable. But how does frankincense oil work for nerve damage? When applied topically by gently rubbing it on the affected area with the help of a carrier oil, frankincense oil effectively soothes hypersensitive nerves. Its anti-inflammatory properties work by blocking the pain pathways. Through a mechanism, frankincense oil inhibits the activation of TLR4 receptors and reduces the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. This provides relief from nerve pain. Take 15 drops of frankincense oil and mix it with 1 tablespoon of almond or coconut oil. Once you have the mixture ready, just apply it as a calming balm on the areas where you experience nerve pain. It's best to do this every day to get the desired soothing effect. 3. Ginger root essential oil. Possesses analgesic properties that provide much-needed relief for nerve pain. By effectively calming the nerves, this essential oil aids in reducing the intensity and frequency of neuropathy symptoms. Moreover, its therapeutic properties assist in restoring smooth movement to affected areas, allowing individuals to regain their mobility and improve their daily lives. Its anti-inflammatory properties work wonders in soothing joint pain, allowing for improved mobility and overall well-being. Furthermore, the oil's ability to relax tensed muscle groups brings relief and eases any associated discomfort, enhancing flexibility and range of motion. 4. Chamomile oil. Derived from the blossoms of chamomile plants, when chamomile is applied directly to the skin, it has the ability to seep into the skin layers, offering specific relief to nerves that may be undergoing irritation and discomfort. Loaded with naturally occurring compounds like chamazoline and alpha-bisabolol, it possesses properties that can reduce inflammation and act as a pain reliever. The idea is that these specific components influence the behavior of substances in the body responsible for inflammation and the transmission of pain signals. Furthermore, there are accounts of chamomile oil encouraging the body to produce its own antioxidants, which in turn shield the nervous system from oxidative stress, a frequent culprit in causing damage to nerves. 5. Helichrysum oil. Derived from the Helichrysum metallicum plant, offers a promising natural solution in addressing nerve damage due to its remarkable therapeutic properties. Studies have indicated that Helichrysum oil possesses potent anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with nerve-related issues. The oil contains compounds like sesquiterpenes and diketones that contribute to its anti-inflammatory action, potentially reducing inflammation in nerve tissues. Moreover, its neuroprotective qualities may aid in shielding nerve cells from damage and supporting overall nerve health. Studies have demonstrated that Helichrysum oil possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective qualities, rendering it an optimal choice for those struggling with nerve-related issues. Its distinct composition, boasting high levels of sesquiterpenes and diketones, significantly contributes to its potent anti-inflammatory effects by alleviating inflammation in nerve tissues. Moreover, the neuroprotective properties of Helichrysum oil may aid in shielding nerve cells from damage and promoting general nerve wellness. In practical terms, incorporating Helichrysum oil into a nerve damage management routine can be achieved through various methods. Topical application is a common approach, where diluted Helichrysum oil can be gently massaged onto affected areas. Alternatively, one may choose to dilute a few drops of essential oil in a bowl of warm water and then inhale the resulting steam. This method is believed to help calm overactive nerves by promoting relaxation through gentle breathing exercises. 6. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is a fantastic remedy for irritated nerves and inflammation. It contains two powerful acids called rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. By massaging this oil into areas of pain, you can stimulate blood flow and find relief. However, it's important to remember that this oil is quite potent, so always dilute it with a carrier oil to avoid any skin irritation. A mixture of 2 tablespoons of almond oil with 5 drops of rosemary oil should do the trick for soothing your nerves. Feel free to make your own combinations of these oils to apply topically to the skin. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey today. I hope you found these tips valuable and that they add positively to your well-being. Your support is truly appreciated, and I eagerly anticipate having you with me in the next video.